Hi y'all, today I'm going to show you how to do this eye look. Okay, first up you're going to want a brown. I literally use this brown from this contouring kit all the time. This brush, and I'm dipping into the darkest shade. And we're just going to go for it. Now it's not dark, I'm not going for anything too crazy. I want something kind of subtle. And we're going to blend that the whole way around. Okay, now that we're like in a good position, we're going to go in with this lighter shade and this blending brush and blend this in. This is the Ofra by Samantha March. It is a highlighter, but I really wanted this like pinky tone, so that is what I'm going to be putting on my eye. I'm not priming it anyway because it honestly doesn't need it. Blend this so there is not a harsh line. This is my go-to. I'm obsessed with this eyeliner. It is the e.l.f. Expert Liquid Eyeliner. This is in the shade Jet Black. But as you can see, it goes down here, but I'm gonna start in the middle of where I want the wing to be, smaller, and then make it bigger. Close your eye, you have this little line. There we go. We're gonna bring it in. Now I just need to fill this in. Okay, this is like our base. Now we're gonna connect everything and make it bigger. So we're just gonna follow here. Okay, now we bring this in. And you see we're gonna bring this in. Another thing I like about this eyeliner is it's very easy to do the like under part of your eye. Just gonna push your brush up into it. I totally messed that up. But that's okay, because I always keep a little wipe on hand, and it is really easy to get this off. I'd like it to go a little further out. There we go. I think that's okay. I do see this bump right here and it's really bothering me. Going with this, and as you can see, I don't have this touching down here, and I have it very curved. So I'm gonna take my brush, I'm gonna take my white, and I'm using my nail pretty much to shape this. This is why I'd always do my eyes first if I can, because I'm very messy, and I like just having the like security of being like, okay, if I mess it up that badly, ooh, we can wipe it off easily. I fixed the eyeshadow. Now we're gonna go on to the underneath of my eye. I'm going to be using an eyeliner, Epilinks. Literally not sure I got this in an Ipsy thing, but it is really good eyeliner, and there's glitter in it. This is gonna be difficult because I'm not ticklish anywhere other than just this tight line. If you're doing eyeliner, I highly recommend going in at a bottom angle. Like, you see how much easier that was? I'm going to curl my lashes. Today we're gonna use Miss Lynn Boombastic Volumizing Mascara. Also, same hack. Angle your mirror or your phone, whatever you're using, down and look up. This helps me so much because I always get mascara on my eye makeup. But since I've been doing this, it hasn't been that bad. And like now I could see like... Now it's last time. I got these half lashes from Shein. I will put on screen what they are. As you can see, they have a clear band. There was extra space here and here that I have cut off. There's still a little bit there, so I need to cut. Always cut your lashes and make sure that they fit before you put them on your eyes. It will be so much more comfortable. I'm using the Kiss Strip Lash Glue in clear. I'm letting my lash dry a little bit just so it gets tacky. I'm gonna close my eye, find the outer corner. If you have long nails, this helps. You can also use another tweezer. Tuck it in. I'm gonna let go of that. I'm gonna push them together. I always do this in the inner corner, I swear. This is why I don't film lash videos. Okay, I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm going to push it together. And I go over the band with the eyeliner. That way it kind of blends in a little better. And then I messed this part up, so we're just gonna draw it in there so it doesn't look like I messed it up at all. I'm gonna do my entire face makeup. I'm going back in with the same brush in the contour color I've been using. We're gonna go underneath my eyes. this brush and the lighter shade. Now we're gonna blend. She Glam Duo Mascara. I like to use a thinner angle brun because it's so much easier and it fits around my eyes so much better. I did take the highlighter that I used on my eyelid and put just the pink on the inner corner. And I'm gonna kind of bring it down to meet the end of the brown. Blend it up here as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my hair and like get dressed and whatnot. And I'll come back and show you the final look. I am back with the finished look. I can't decide if a necklace goes with this or not, so I just didn't do one because the few I tried on didn't look very good. But here's the eye look. This is a new lip combo, so I'm really not sure how to feel about it. Oh, there's a little. But yeah, if you want more tutorials, if you want face tutorials, different eyeliners tutorials and whatnot like that, let me know. This is the first time I've ever like fully done a tutorial of putting lashes on. So if you want more in depth for different types of lashes, let me know. But thank y'all for watching. Okay, love you, bye.